Yes, good morning, everyone. Come back to your places. Your
Good
break is
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
good
How are
morning.
you, ma'am?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am? Good morning,
Morning, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
My
How are you, ma'am?
kids. Good morning. Very good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am? Good morning,
How are
ma'am.
you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you, dear. How are you all?
We are fine,
I'm all
ma'am.
fine. We are fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Good to hear this from you guys. All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let me start with the attendance part. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And then we'll
We are
start.
ready for our class.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Only according to the roll numbers, you guys have to unmute yourself. Okay. And now, Manju, keep yourself muted, beta. Videos should be on for everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Switch on your videos. I want to take the feel of the class. Until and unless I'll not see my lovely kids, how I'll get that feel? So please switch on your videos. All my obedient students will switch on. Those who are obedient to me, they will switch on their videos.
Okay, ma'am.
I know all of you are my obedient students. Okay, so all of you will start your videos. So do it quickly, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it quickly. फटाफट से वीडियो ऑन करो सब. अंकित शर्मा, आपने अभी तक नहीं किया. Do it quickly. Same with Arnav
Ma'am, video
Mathur.
should be on.
And your mic should be muted. Okay? Videos on, audios off. Quickly. Till then, I'll take the attendance. According to roll numbers, you guys have to unmute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody is aware where their number, roll number, what their roll number is. Yes, Arnav Mathur.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Whatever your question is, later on I will discuss. Let me take the attendance first. Abhay Yadav, Abhi Seth, not there. Afan, Anshul Sonwal, Ayush Chaudhary.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Ayush. Ayush Nehra, Cherry Vijay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Cherry. Chitran Sambarwal, Daksh Lalwani.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Daksh Beta. Dhruv Dhaliwal, Ashish Sharma, Vicky Sharma. Diana Motwani, Gurpreet Kaur.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am present.
Who is present? Diana.
Yes, ma'am.
Gurpreet Kaur. Ansika Bharti.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Ansika. Ishan Chitanmalani. Jaspreet Kaur.
Absent. Ma'am, मैं present हूँ.
Abhi you have entered now only.
मैं पहले हो गया था लेकिन मेरे मोबाइल का बैटरी डेड हो गया था.
Okay, fine. I have marked for you. Okay. Yes. Jaspreet Kaur. Jatin Ramnani.
मैम absent. शायद से. I'm present. Sorry,
Don't
ma'am.
absent for anyone. If they will not give the response, I will understand. Jayesh Kumar Khanwani.
Hello.
Sangi. Manjushri.
Ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Mohan Raja.
Ma'am, I am present.
Who is present?
Ma'am, this is my present. I'm Jatin present.
Okay.
I think.
I also present. Ma'am, Karnik Sangi.
Beta, why don't you give response when I call your name? Be attentive.
Okay, ma'am.
Palak Sadhwani,
Present, ma'am.
Prithvi Needi, Pratyush Sharma.
Ma'am, I am present.
Okay, Prithvi. Pratyush Sharma. Not there? Okay. The next one is Rhythm Naruka.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Rhythm. Rishabh Shekhar, Rishit Bagoria, Saurabh Chitwani. Not there? Tejas Singh
Ma'am,
Meena.
Saurabh Chitwani present.
Okay, Saurabh.
Ma'am,
Saurabh, okay. Tejas Singh Meena. Tejaswini Dabai. Riksha.
present, ma'am.
Vidushi Khandelwal.
Present, ma'am. Rishi Sharma present.
Vishal Arora.
Present, ma'am.
Tanmay Sharma. Ujjwal Chakar. Vaidehi Khoda. Vanshika Vijay. Vineet Changir. Yaduvir Singh Jodha. Yashika. Yashwardhan Tiwari. Yashwant Singh. And Yug Sukhani. Is any one of these students present? Any one of them? No?
No, ma'am, absent.
Okay. Now let's move towards 6B. Please be a gentle 6B for the attendance. Asta
Ma'am,
Sharma.
Rishi Sharma present.
Okay, Asta Sharma. Abhidar Singh. Amandeep Ahuja. Angel Gupta.
Ma'am, absent.
Ankit Sharma.
Ma'am, he is present.
But he is not
I am
responding.
present, ma'am.
Okay, Ankit. Ayush Bansal. Ayush
Ma'am,
Bansal.
absent.
Chitresh Rajawat.
Ma'am, absent.
Dak Soni.
Ma'am, he is present.
Let him give the response. Then only I'll mark the present. Dak Soni. Deepika Agarwal.
Ma'am, she is also present.
Deepika Sharma.
Ma'am, absent.
Drishti Rai.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Jay Kumar Soni.
Ma'am, absent.
Present.
Jayavardhan Singh. Chandni Shekhawat.
Ma'am, absent.
Jitesh Bhagwani.
Ma'am, present.
Beta, everybody sit in a peaceful environment.
Present.
Sit in a peaceful environment, Jitesh. And if your attendance is done, keep yourself muted. Kanav Gupta.
Ma'am, he is present.
Pratika Motwani.
Present, ma'am.
Mansi Shekhawat.
Ma'am, I am present.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Meet Jangir. Mishti
Ma'am,
Gandhani.
absent.
Mishti. Okay, Mishti. Okay, Mishti. Mumal Rathor.
Ma'am, absent.
Nandini Dabai.
Ma'am, absent.
Nidhi Rani.
Ma'am, absent.
Nidhi Khandelwal.
Ma'am, she is present.
Nidhi Khandelwal, give me the response if you are present, then only I'll mark. Om Palsania,
Ma'am, absent.
Pranav, Ram, Rishita,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Rishita sir. Sahil Jethwani,
Present, ma'am.
Sahil Jethwani,
Present, ma'am.
Shanvi Parikh, Shanvi Parikh,
Present, ma'am. And I am Shan Parak, not Shan.
okay, Shanvi, Shubham Gavendra, Shubham Gavendra, Suman Soni,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Suman, Tanya Verma, Tanmay Kumar Jha, Tanmay Kumar Jha, Yashika Singh, okay,
Present, ma'am.
Yashika,
Present, ma'am.
Yuvraj Singh, Yuvraj is not there, Aniket Meena,
Ma'am, I have
Aniket
problem.
Meena, Parth Aswar, Parth Aswar is present, okay, those who have put it emojis with their names, I'm putting you in, and I'm in the waiting room. Names with the emojis. I'm removing them from my class. And switch on your video if you guys want to attend my class quickly. Quickly. Write your section in front of your name. Write your section, everyone. From tomorrow, when you will enter the class, you will write your full name along with the section. Okay? Okay, now let's start with the class. Palak, I have brought few of the options. I don't remember whether yours is there or not. Tomorrow, I haven't today. Yes, I have got for 6 and 7 classes with me. Okay. Next class I'll be able to tell you. So let's start. Let me unmute few of them. Could you Vani? Yes, Palak, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly. Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly to me.
Might be connectivity issue at
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right. So we were discussing. I want to unmute Drishti Rai also. Drishti Rai, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So we were discussing the question answers. Drishti, up to which questions we have done?
Ma'am, we have done the short question answers.
Okay, short questions answered. Although we have done till this Nitika question, right? Value based. We have to discuss from the long one. Okay, let's start with the long question.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me unmute Yashika also. Yashika, unmute yourself. Switch on your video. Everybody on your videos. I want to see all my lovely kids. And take the feel of the class. Sit up straight, everyone. Ayush Chaudhary, your screen is blurred. Sit in a correct posture. Ritika Motwani, backbone should be straight. Sit up straight, dear. Okay, very good. Good to see you all. Sahil, what happened? Sahil Jethwani. Jitesh. Sit up straight. Yes, just like a smart student, everyone. Jatin, what happened? Pranav, it's okay. All right, so let's start with our class now. I'm going to share a book with you first. On my notes, I'll share. Okay, I'll share my notes with you guys. I'll do that.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope all of you must have taken the screenshot for the notes. So I'm just moving towards the question answer part. All right.
Ma'am, we have
So you're
taken
saying,
the screenshot of. Yes.
You guys have taken for this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So someone was asking me for the short questions. So whosoever was that may take. As all these questions we have discussed verbally also in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm turning the page now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So next we have to start with these long question answers. Okay, I think long I'm having for there. Okay, horse I have written over here, but long we have to mark in the book only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So do one thing. Let's discuss the horse first. Pranav, what happened? Do it quickly, Pranav. Be quick, Pranav. Alright, so let's discuss the HOTS, that is E question first, higher order thinking skills questions. Radhika on a very cold day took 3 blankets to keep her warm, whereas her brother Raghav took only 1 thick blanket with thickness equal to 3 blankets. Who will get more warmth and why? First, understand the question, what the question is actually. Question is, देखो अगर आपने एक सिंगल ब्लैंकेट लिया है एंड योर ब्रदर हैज टेकन 3 blankets, okay,
Yes,
all the 3 blankets are thinner than yours. अगर आप दोनों की देखोगे तो दोनों की जो थिकनेस है दैट इज द सेम, ओके, वो 3 मिलाकर आपके एक के जितना है. ऑलराइट, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज who will get more warmth and why? Who will get more warmth and why? I think Prithvi Neeli wants to give me the answer. Let me go to Prithvi. Yes, Prithvi. Give me the response.
ma'am. She's Parthvi.
Okay. Yes. Prithvi. May I get the response from you? Am I audible to you? Okay, Cherry Vijay is also raising her hand. So I think connectivity issue from her end. So I'll move towards Cherry now. Yes, Cherry, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you think? Who will get more warmth? Radhika or her brother?
Ma'am, or her brother.
Her brother, who has taken 3 blankets?
Ma'am, her brother.
Radhika. Radhika.
Radhika.
Blankets. Radhika has taken 3 blankets and her brother Raghav took only 1 single blanket. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Radhika.
Radhika, why?
Because she have 3 blankets.
Radhika is having 3 blankets, but the thickness is the same.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Yes, please, Drishti.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Wait,
ma'am,
Palak. Yes, Drishti.
ma'am, ma'am, her brother.
Brother, because he is having 1 single blanket.
Ma'am,
Yes.
he has 1 single blanket, but his thickness is more than her sister's blanket.
Can I ask from you, Palak, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Palak, give me the response.
Ma'am, Radhika.
Radhika will get, why?
Ma'am, because she carried 3 blankets.
Okay, nobody of you guys are just guessing. You don't know the exact reason. So let me explain this to you. Radhika, you are correct, Palak. Radhika will get more warmth as she has used 3 thin blankets. And you know why this happened? Because between these 3 air blankets, between each and every blanket, air will remain trapped. Okay, and you know air is a very bad conductor of heat. It doesn't allow the heat to escape out from your body. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why Radhika will get more warmth. And the same thing happened in the cold countries also, you know, ऑस्ट्रेलिया वगैरह जहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा the countries जहाँ पर बहुत
Antarctica.
ज्यादा snowfall होता है, बहुत ज्यादा ठंड होती है, तो वहाँ पर जो विंडो के ग्लासेस होते हैं, they are made up of double panes. Okay, double glasses लगे होते हैं उनमें. Why it is so? Because between these two glasses, the air will be trapped. You guys must have used your water bottles, the steel water bottles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever cutted that Milton bottle and checked that what substance is there inside which make the water cool for so many hours? It's something special in that. Thermoses we use in our daily routine to keep the cold thing cold and the warm things warm. So what is the reason behind that? Why the thermos is able to keep them cool for a long time and hot for the longer
Because
time?
they made
Because, yes,
some special material.
no, not any special material, Palak. You know, it's having the double layer in which the air is being trapped. Okay, and that air will act as a insulator. It will not allow the heat to escape out. Heat, cold, whatever it is, it will not allow to escape out. तो ठंडी चीज ठंडी रहेगी, गरम चीज गरम रहेगी.
Garam.
ठीक है? This is the reason that Radhika will get more warmth. All right. Next is Mansi is planning to visit Jaipur and Jodhpur during her summer vacation. What should she keep with her? Nylon leggings or cotton pants? Okay,
When
final
nylon,
answer.
when second
Ma'am,
option is
nylon.
Cotton pants with kurtas.
Ma'am,
Okay, I want to
can
give the
I?
answer. And
Ma'am,
Tanmay
please,
also.
can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Don't, nobody will shout, ma'am, otherwise I will mute everyone.
Okay,
okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Keep yourself, go on unmuted. Keep yourself quiet. Okay, I want to hear from Tanmay Jha. Yes, Tanmay. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Video on, Tanmay. Yes. Now tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, Mansi has to take cotton pants as they are durable and they allow air to pass.
Yes, very good, Tanmay. You are correct. Mansi should carry cotton pants with kurta because it's summertime. Okay, and already
Cotton
Jodhpur
is
known as the
comfortable
sun
and
city.
sweat absorber.
Yes, sweat absorber, comfortable, air to pass. Okay, so here is the answer. Mansi should keep cotton pants as cotton is comfortable, sweat absorber, and it will allow air to pass.
Pass. Ma'am, long question answers we will discuss.
Yes, we will discuss. First, let's discuss the application-based question which I'm having in this.
Application.
Okay, and then we will move to other long questions. Long questions we will discuss,
Now,
but it is being marked in my book only. So later on, I'll share that.
okay, ma'am.
All right. Now, application-based question.
Okay, ma'am.
First is, which fabric will you wear while working in the kitchen? Cotton or polyester? And why?
Cotton.
Ma'am, cotton.
Wait,
Ma'am, because
wait.
polyester
Because
clothes.
the polyester catch.
Ma'am, because polyester clothes catch the fire.
Beta, you guys just have to raise your hand. Don't give me the random answers. And you guys are correct.
Okay.
We should wear cotton clothes because polyester is a synthetic cloth which may catch fire while working in the kitchen. Yes.
Kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So here is the answer. Okay. We should
We
wear
should
cotton
wear
fabric while
cotton
working in the kitchen as synthetic fiber may catch fire easily and are not
Not spend.
Second, Anji. Short, long, shorts, and application based. These you have to do in your copy.
Ask some more questions.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please ask some more questions.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to ask the next one. Let's move towards our next question. Aman's mom is a working woman who leaves for her office early in the morning. She takes the metro to the office and returns late in the evening. What type of fabric should she use for her dress? Okay. I want to hear from Rhythm Naruka. Let me go towards Rhythm. Yes, Rhythm, unmute yourself.
Aman's mom should wear cotton fabric because it is comfortable in summer and it allows to air to pass.
Yes.
Pass.
Yes. So Aman's mom should wear cotton fabric as she has to wear it for the whole day. So cotton fabric will be comfortable. Okay. For her. All right. So here we have discussed. Now let's come. Those who have not done these, they may do this. Take a screenshot of this book exercise also. Though we have discussed verbally, if anybody was not present in the previous class, they may take a screenshot of this. Now I'm turning the page. All these we have discussed. Now we have to come towards our long question. First is discuss the advantages and disadvantages of natural fibers. Okay. Now those who wants to give the answer for this first long question, they may raise their hands. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of natural fabrics. Quickly raise your hands. Yes, it is being provided on page number 30. As I have written over here, you guys may also write with your with the pencil. Let's move towards page number 30. And I want to hear the answer from Diana Motwani this time. Yes, Diana. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Diana. Let me also open the page number 30.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, advantages of natural fabrics is these fabrics absorb more water and sweat. They allow air to pass through them. They are biodegradable and do not affect the environment. Disadvantages of natural fabrics: they do not retain their creases for long. They may shrink on ordinary washing. They can easily be attached by moths and mouse. They do not dry rapidly. Natural silk is very expensive and not quite affordable.
So are you able to see here on the very first page of the chapter, page number 30, everybody open up. Advantages of natural fabrics and disadvantages. So 3 advantages you guys will write along with any 3 disadvantages. Okay? 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages. You guys have to write. All right? Okay. Am I audible to everyone? Give me the response in the chat box. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Why? Then why not? I'm not audible to Pranav. Okay, thank you, Dishi. All right. So I hope all of you must have done this. Have you marked this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's move towards the next question. The next question is, how do you obtain jute fibers from their plants? Okay, this I have provided you in the notes, so you guys may get this answer from the notes only. Okay. Again, I'll show you the notes and I'll show you what you have to write in this? First of all, let's discuss the third question. Discuss the uses of jute. Third question. Those who wants to give response for the third one may raise their hands. Uses of jute. Quickly raise your hands. Quickly raise your hands, I said. Okay, Parth Aswar want to tell. So let me move towards Parth this time. Parth, unmute yourself. Yes, Parth. Parth Aswar, unmute yourself. Yes, Parth. Give me the response. Okay, I want to hear from Mansi Shekhawat. Yes, Mansi Shekhawat. Unmute yourself. Yes, Mansi.
The most fiber after cotton. It is used for making gunny bags. High quality jute is woven into curtains, carpets,
Yeah,
chair covering,
first,
and packing.
wait. Better first tell the page number. Yes, 35. Everybody open up this page. Page number 35. Everyone open. This page, sorry. Everybody open page number. Yes, 35. This one. Here, uses of jutes are mentioned on this page.
5.
So this is the page number 35 which I have opened.
Yes, ma'am.
Then this is what I am saying. Are you able to see uses of jute over here? These you have to write. Okay? You may write them in your own language. Okay? All right. Now, let's discuss the second one. How do you obtain jute fibers from their plants? How do you obtain jute fibers from their plants? Okay, anybody if want to tell second question, then you may. Otherwise, I'll provide you my answer. Okay, I want to go towards Palak. Yes, Palak. Unmute yourself. Yes, Palak. Palak, you may unmute yourself. You are having the option, Palak. Yes.
Ma'am.
Response.
Yes, ma'am.
Second question, how do you obtain jute fiber from their plants?
Ma'am, we obtained jute. The fibers obtained are dried in the sun and tied into small bundles.
And what is the next step, Palak? Okay. I have provided you the notes. In that I have shown you. Wait, let me show you. Again, let me share my notes with you guys. I think you guys have not done the notes yet. Let's move towards do. Yes, these are the steps I have provided you. You may write these steps. Okay? This whole page you have to write in that second long
Fruit plants are
These are the steps in the flow from a
confusing
flowchart I
the
have provided.
flowering stage because fruit
Young wait now. Wala. Young stem plant harvested. Then stalks are tied into bundles. They are being kept into
seed
stagnant
is
water
present
for
water
20 days.
20 days.
Rotting, yes, rotting of stem by bacteria occurs. Then fibers are separated, sun-dried, tied into small bundles, sent to mills, spun and woven. Okay, so this whole page you have to write in the second, which I have provided you in the notes. All right. Now, Pranav, am I audible to you now? You lost your connection. Again, you have rejoined me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Audible to you now, Pranav. Give me the response in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Palak.
मैम सैटरडे को क्लास होगी?
No, but I was about to tell you guys that you guys are not having any class tomorrow. Okay, so now Saturday and Sunday you are having off. Now we will meet on Monday. Okay.
Ma'am, why the Saturday and Sunday off?
But Sundays are usually we get off. Okay. You guys
Yes,
also
ma'am.
need rest, and the same for the teachers.
Okay, ma'am.
And Saturday, actually, I'm also not aware about the reason. It's not for every Saturday. I cannot say confirm, but for tomorrow it is confirmed. Okay, tomorrow you guys are having off. Not for every
Okay,
Saturday.
ma'am.
I'm telling you, just for tomorrow. Okay, take your rest. Complete all your pending work 2 days, and today's half day also. You guys will be having with you. You are having enough time to complete your work, do all your work, and you guys may send your work to me on my ID, mail ID, official mail ID.
Okay.
Everybody is having. You guys may.
Ma'am, you got my notebook?
Beta, I'm saying I haven't noted the names with me. I haven't brought that list with me yet.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, if anybody is having any problem in these questions, the book exercise, all the questions we have discussed, you guys may ask. I have provided you the screenshots also for everything.
मैम मैंने अपनी
You guys having some problem? Okay, Suman Soni, that is very good. If you have completed your work, we have done till now.
यार दूध तो पी ले.
Yes, now let me move towards Yashika. Yes, Yashika, unmute yourself. Switch on your video.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड पे
You are
क्वेश्चन
not
नंबर सेकंड
audible.
का ये वाला आंसर लिख.
हाँ जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड लिखोगे. ठीक है? Any other doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you provide your number?
Why? No, we are not allowed to give. You may send it on the mail ID. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we do our work in pin page?
Yes, you guys may. Start doing your work in the pin pages and later on we will paste it. Don't keep your work pending that I am not having copy with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Keep on doing your work. Don't keep your work pending with you guys. Any other doubt to anyone? Mr. Chua have raised their hand. Dishi Sharma is having some problem. Suman, are you also having any doubt?
मैम क्लास लीव कर सकते हैं?
Yes, you may take a break.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who are having problem, let me clear their doubt.
I am leaving the class.
Dishi Sharma is having doubt. Yes, Dishi, unmute yourself.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you. Same to you, dear. Have a nice day to everyone. Thank you so much for today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Yes.
मैम मैम
Yes.
आपने एप्लीकेशन मैम
Sorry, Rishi, you are not properly audible to me. Connectivity issue at your end. Speak loudly or again. Yes.
मैम एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन टॉपिक में करना है क्या?
Hanji, short question, long question, what's an application base? These four you have to
Ma'am,
do in your copy. Okay?
मैम आप हमें दिखा दो क्योंकि मैं स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया था.
Application based question.
यस मैम.
Again, I have to share. Horts have you taken? These are the horts. I hope you must have taken.
नो मैम. मैम आई टेक.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for today's class. Now you guys may leave. Okay? Bye everyone. Have a nice day.
बाय मैम.
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम.
All of you may leave.
अभी
हेलो विदुषी
पढ़ना
विदुषी
और क्लास है क्या?
नहीं है, अब तो कल तो छुट्टी है. छुट्टी पे आराम से सोएंगे, आराम से उठेंगे.
हाँ बोल चेरी क्या हुआ?
क्या कहती है मोटी? वीडियो तो ऑन कर ले कम से कम अपना, मोटी आंटी. नींद आ रही है तेरे को?
नींद आ रही यार.
हेलो
ये भी बोला.
लगता है मैं ना तू वीडियो ऑफ करके सो रही होगी.
अरे नहीं फोन हैंग हो गया था मेरा.
अच्छा
हाँ सच्ची में. हो गई थी तो डिलीट कर रही थी.
और विदुषी तू है ना अपना फोन नंबर दियो यार, मैंने सबके डिलीट कर दिए थे, सिर्फ दियाना और याशिका का ही छोड़ा था. तू अपना फोन नंबर दियो मुझे. हाय भेज दियो तेरे नंबर से.
अरे सुन तेरे पास वो नहीं है क्या? मैंने एक ग्रुप बनाया है ना मैंने.
अबे मेरे को ग्रुप में नहीं होना है भाई, मैं पहले ही कह दूँ, मम्मी डांटती है।
अच्छा ठीक है।